Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to introduce myself. My name is M.Arya Bintang from class 12 Science 3. I want to tell you about how to wash clothes using washing machine. The first step, get a dirty laundry we are trying to wash. Step 2, separate the white clothing and the color clothing. Step 3, fill the water in the washing machine. After that, fill to wash top with water and wash top for washing clothes and the other for scan cloth. Next, give one sachet cloth deodorize in the wash top that has been prepared earlier. And also give detergent in the washing machine that has been watered earlier. Then, turn on the washing machine first. Next, put the dirty clothes you want to wash in the washing machine. Then turn the washing machine by turning the knob to wash. After the machine is finished turning, then transfer the cloth to the rinsing washtub. After finished rinsing, move it to the French washtub. Then wait a few moments for the fragrance to soak. After that, put the clothes into drying and don't forget to pack them. Then turn the drying knob on the washing machine. Finally, the clothes are finished washing and dry and are ready to dry. Thanks for your attention, ma'am. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Jam baju, Man.